Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with an unboxing from Notiq. I've been a customer for a little bit of a minute now, a couple months now. I really have been enjoying their product line. They sell planners and planner accessories, and so I got a new agenda, and I thought it would be fun to unbox it with my friends, so let's get into it. Okay friends, so let's get right into the unboxing, and it has this beautiful vellum envelope with looks like some goodies in it. I believe that I only ordered, if I'm not mistaken, the agenda cover, so I'm curious to see what's in here. I see a handwritten note, but it's just everything. You can tell they put a thought into making sure that the packaging is right. So let's open it up here and see what we got. So we have a letter, a note that's on this beautiful vellum from the founder. So that's really cute. Also a Notiq pad, beautiful. And I love the logo. The logo is just very modern, very cutesy. Love it. So I definitely can get used to that. That's even nice to slip in the back of your planner. Oh, and it has it in the I want to say blush color. I think it's in the blush color. So that's really pretty there. I like it. Very pretty. Those are very gorgeous, very gorgeous. Then what do we have here? Just a card with their mission. So their products include personal planners, organizers, notebooks, and animal-free leather goods designed to help you stand out, gain clarity, overcome overwhelm, and succeed in a busy world. Love it. Okay, so that's all that. Let's put all this stuff back in place. So neat and nice, very nice packaging. And now let's get into the exciting part, the agenda. Okay, so this paper is so pretty. I love it. Makes me feel just, you know, grown up. It's just nice. Okay, oh, beautiful. Look at this beautiful blush color. Matches my fingernail polish. Beautiful blush color dust jacket. So now we have a beautiful dust jacket. So let's see here. Oh, the chocolatey brown is gorgeous. It's prettier in person. The snap works beautifully. Beautiful quality. I'm very happy. So this is gonna have my disc bound. And oh, look, it has the little Notiq card in here. Has the place for the cards here. Place for me to stick my disc bound. When it comes, I'm gonna bring it back and show you how I put all this together. I love that it has the loop for your pen. I like a nice loop, either expandable. Love the pocket. I love the scallop in the pocket. Plenty of pocket space to tuck. I'm waiting for it to come from the Collective Planner. Oh, she has this tortoiseshell disc bound that I ordered. I am like in love with it, and I'm excited for it to come. So I'm gonna put this back and hold this till all that comes, and then I'll do a video on that. But I did also get my cloth and paper subscription box the other day, and I wanted to open it for you. Let me go get that, and I'll open that for you. Okay friends, before I get into the cloth and paper, I'm on my exercise bike. It's a desk bike. I'm able to put my mount here so that I can film. So that's why it may look a little shaky. I just want to get the content out to you and share with you. And so if it has to be on my exercise bike, this is what we're gonna do. Okay friends, I am back with my cloth and paper subscription box, and I got this, I want to say last week sometime, I believe, but I've been holding it because I wanted to do an unboxing. You all know how much I love cloth and paper because I have been getting this subscription box since 2017, I believe, early 2017 maybe, or mid-early 2017, but it is like the only subscription box that I subscribe to now because I just get so much joy from this box. And if you're a stationery lover like me, you know how we feel about our cloth and paper subscription box. The great thing about it is, depending on what type of planner you have, is they'll send you items that fit your planner. So inside, it's just telling us a little bit about what's in the box, but I'm gonna put that to the side, not to spoil anything. And so I also belong to their Pinspiration box, which is all about pins. So if you love pins, that's a great subscription box. They love their minimal look, the black and white. That's what I love so much about them. We are all good customers of Cloth and Paper because they come through for us. So it says, love yourself. How you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Oh, I love that. And here's why it's so nice to have this subscription box, is because it always gives you a way to freshen up your planner. We look at our planners every day. This helps us freshen it up. And this is the March month card, so that's neat in preparation for March. Oh, love this. Prepared with an elegance attained through the care of finer details. Love it. But again, all these little cards are great for updating your planner and giving it a fresh perspective every month. Because our planners are our personal assistants. This is the little month of for March. So great, I am good for March. That's good. And then we have look like some AM PM cards. These are cute. So let me know in the comments, what are some creative ways that we can use our AM and PM cards besides just the normal making lists for the morning, lists for the afternoon? But what could we do? Oh, and they're little cards. How neat. I need to save the vellum then. These are little cards. They're nice, good quality. What could we use these for? I know you guys know some creative ways to use AM PM cards. Let me know in the comments if you know of some creative ways to use that. The ones that I had were cards, and I like the cards too because you can just stick them in your planner, but I really like this. Okay, so then we have appointment pad, date, time, location, contact, appointment details. So this is like the larger version of it. It's a beautiful color. I love these colors together. This is a nice combination. Again, a great way to freshen up your planner. Great way. So then we have some dashboards, beautiful. And of course, there's luxury in simplicity. One of my favorite, just always when I see that, I think of Cloth and Paper, and I love that. So again, getting these dashboards in the subscription box is just, I can take out my old ones, store them away, freshen it up. This is 2021. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Greg Reed. Love that. The reason why I love this subscription box is because it really gives me the opportunity to just kind of keep things fresh. These are the month half pages, I think, for the year. Let me open it up and make sure. Oh, that would be so neat. I love putting these kind of in the front of the planner. You can easily write your priorities, reminders. You have the month there. I'm going to take this out and let's see what we have. Yes, it's for the year. Yay! Oh, they're so good to us. So good. And then this is horizontal weekly. Oh, yum. I say it like it's food. Isn't that awful? Okay, so horizontal weekly. Oh, these are nice. Very nice. Very nice. And undated, so you can use them whenever. Love it. And so they have priorities, next week, memo, and then you can just jot down. That's very, very useful. And as you can see, these are things that you can use. And then we have the purchase tracker. So this is where, and you know what this is great for? This is great if you are a big Amazon shopper. You can just kind of jot down your things and as you purchase them, and you have a running list so that you know when they come in. Sometimes if you like me, you get a lot of Amazon and you don't half remember what's coming in. Okay, so let's put this stuff back in here. Cloth and Paper, you guys did a beautiful job in this month's subscription box. As always, I love it. So I'm going to just close this up, and then we're going to look at the pen. Maybe I'll do something on Instagram to show you how it writes. Make sure at work with Nikki. If you're not over there on my Instagram, go over to my Instagram at work with Nikki. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, here, take a moment right now, click the subscribe button. Also, if you would click that bell so that you're notified when I post videos, because I'm starting to get regular on this channel, friends. Oh, this is a beautiful color. I'm wondering how it writes. Yeah, I'll do something. I'll do a story or something, or a video over there on the reels or something showing you how these write. Oh, this is a nice soft grip. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed the 2 unboxings that I had. I do have more to come. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.